Sa totoo lang guys, di lang siguro ako nakakaranas nun. Pero, yung feeling na nawawala ka sa katinuan. And then, nawawalan ng meaning yung mga bagay. Feeling na parang, feeling of emptiness siguro. Feeling of being trapped in your mind, being trapped on your on uh, on the sensation of of emptiness. It's like that but I don't know guys, I really don't know what to do, because even my motivation is affected, and even how I can think correctly is also affected. uh you know I don't know if it's just a mood swing or lack of purpose in life. But uh, I'm really trying to do something. Trying to draw something with my life, to make it appear na hindi ganun ka boring or hindi ganun ka empty. I'm trying to fill it with creativity, emotions, and creations na pwede kong gawin. But sometimes kasi nai-stuck tayo sa rest mode, sa sa space kung saan walang laman na space. It's feeling of empty empty things, empty head, empty meaning, completely emptiness. It feels like you really need to go outside that feeling. Di ko alam kung masyado lang flat yung emotion na nadadama ko. But it's kind of battering, and frustrating din. So I don't know guys, but that is my current mental state. And I don't know what I can do to fix yung mga bagay na yun. It feels like I'm trapped. Totally hindi naman talaga ako trapped, but yung mentally trapped emotionally, parang ganun. I don't know. Di ko rin alam kung dapat ba magdrama ng ganito, knowing na di ko alam kung valuable ba ang buhay ng isang nilalang. Kasi if we're just an ant, and we see na marami ding ibang ants, valuable kaya yung buhay ng isang ant sa kanila, knowing na marami pang iba pang mga ants, like you're losing a purpose and your value, kasi you seeing na ang dami din namang iba dami din namang ibang may same na pag-iisip, same na cognition. And I feel like, do I'm really important on this colony, on this generation? Parang ganon. Hindi rin natin maiwasan isipin yan minsan when saying na in large scale, we probably like ants or other infesting kind of creatures na sobrang dami kung magparami, parang ganun. And then ini-infest nila yung mundo ng mga species ng creatures na yun. Ewan ko guys kung valuable ba ang buhay ng isa. I can't think better honestly. But I'm trying my best to to find my own purpose as me, because I think that's my responsibility to fight for my own little life. So sinusubukan ko naman na pakinabangan at ayusin yung sarili kong buhay para di ko maramdaman yung feeling na feeling of basta may madrama kasi talaga minsan nararamdaman mo talaga yung kahit hindi mo gusto yun, yung feeling na yun. So yun lang mga guys, yun lang gusto ko sabihin. Maraming salamat sa panonood and hope na i-value nyo ako as human, and then hindi ko mahanap ang purpose ko, and hindi ko alam kung dapat ba akong i-value din, sa totoo lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood at ito lang ako bilang ako. So yun lang, bye.